Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 10 best money saving tips that can help you save money and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or save up for a big purchase, these tips can help you get there faster. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Create a budget. The first tip on our list is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you're going to spend your money each month. By creating a budget, you can track your expenses, see where your money is going, and make adjustments as needed. To create a budget, start by listing your income and expenses, and then allocate your money accordingly. This can help you avoid overspending and ensure that you have enough money to cover your bills and save for your financial goals. Tip 2. Cut your expenses. The second tip on our list is to cut your expenses. One of the easiest ways to save money is to reduce your spending. Look for areas where you can cut back, such as dining out, entertainment, or subscription services. By reducing your expenses, you can free up more money to put towards your financial goals. Tip 3. Use coupons and discount codes. The third tip on our list is to use coupons and discount codes. When shopping online or in store, always check for coupons and discount codes that can help you save money. There are many websites and apps that offer coupons and discount codes, so take advantage of them whenever possible. Tip 4. Buy generic brands. The fourth tip on our list is to buy generic brands. Generic brands are often just as good as name brand products but cost much less. When shopping for groceries, household items, or personal care products, opt for generic brands to save money without sacrificing quality. Tip 5. Avoid impulse purchases. The fifth tip on our list is to avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases are unplanned purchases that you make on a whim, often because of a sale or promotion. These purchases can quickly add up and derail your financial goals. To avoid impulse purchases, create a shopping list before going to the store, and stick to it. If you see something you want to buy, wait a day or two before making the purchase. This can help you determine if it's a necessary purchase or simply an impulse. Tip 6. Use cashback apps. The sixth tip on our list is to use cashback apps. Cashback apps are mobile apps that give you cashback on your purchases. They work by partnering with retailers to offer discounts to users. Some popular cashback apps include Rakuten, Ibotta, and Dash. By using cashback apps, you can save money on your purchases and earn cashback that can be put towards your financial goals. Tip 7. Negotiate your bills. The seventh tip on our list is to negotiate your bills. Many people don't realize that they can negotiate their bills, such as their cable, internet, or phone bills. Call your service provider and ask if they have any promotions or discounts available. You may be surprised at how much money you can save by simply asking. Tip 8. Buy used items. The eighth tip on our list is to buy used items. Buying used items can save you a lot of money, especially for big-ticket items like furniture or electronics. Check out local thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for deals on used items. Just make sure to inspect the item before purchasing to ensure it's in good condition. Tip 9. Cook at home. The ninth tip on our list is to cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, especially if you do it frequently. By cooking at home, you can save money on food costs and ensure that you're eating healthy meals. Meal planning and meal prep can help make cooking at home more convenient and time efficient. Tip 10. Save automatically. The 10th and final tip on our list is to save automatically. One of the best ways to save money is to set up automatic savings. This can be done through your employer's retirement plan, a savings account, or an investment account. By automating your savings, you can ensure that you're consistently putting money towards your financial goals, without having to think about it. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top 10 best money-saving tips. By following these tips, you can save money and achieve your financial goals faster. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.